Skoolie tour this 2009 Bluebird All-American FE, known as Big Mama Blu, measuring 38 feet with a 6.7L Cummins engine and Allison 3000 transmission. Featuring 2,700 watts of solar power and 8 Renogy 24V batteries, this Skoolie is fully equipped for off-grid living. Step inside to discover a beautifully renovated space with a cozy living area, a kitchen with a farmhouse sink and gas stove, and a bathroom complete with a Nature's Head toilet. The bedroom comfortably fits a king-size mattress, has ample storage, and includes a mounted TV, perfect for adventures or settled living. Follow us for more Skoolie tour videos.